fat grub worm.
Yeah.
I've eaten that like on the river before. It was alright. The second one I ended up not liking.
It's protein. It's straight to her.
They told me it was too much oil. If they would put less oil on it, then the bug would have been fine.
Yeah, I promise this bug would have tasted a lot better than what it does.
Right.
What do they taste like?
The skin kind of feels like I don't know if grapey is the like grapes like it's the packagey, like you're actually chomping on like something that used to have juice in it and now it doesn't because the juice is all in your mouth and you're like chomping on that and dealing with that. But if you can get it down, it's pretty easy. But after I wouldn't like eat a bunch of them. The little ones were easy because they were little. My man in the Amazon, he just fucking popped a fucking thing and he gave me one and I just popped it in my
I'm
mouth.
adventurous, but I don't know if I can do that.